Moving to Bangalore for a new job or shifting flats again this year. If you're figuring out whether to buy a bed or just rent a bed, you're not alone. This is one of the most common questions among people relocating in Bangalore. Is the rented bed hygienic? What's the actual rent? What happens when you move in 6 months? Here's everything you need to know about bed on rent from Rentomojo in Bangalore in one video. The first and most common question is if renting a bed in Bangalore is actually cheaper than buying. Well, if you're staying in Bangalore for up to 33 months, renting a bed is usually the smarter financial decision. Let me explain. A queen size bed costs anywhere between 15,000 to 25,000 upfront, and in a city like Bangalore where people move flats every year due to a lease renewal or a job change, that upfront cost rarely feels worth it. With Rentomojo, bed rentals start at just $328 a month. You skip the huge upfront spend, and when you move, you don't have to deal with the buyers or movers. Rentomojo relocates the rented bed for free. You might want to know if there's a security deposit. Yes, there's a security deposit and it's fully refundable. If there's no damage and no pending dues, you get your full deposit back. And in rare cases of major damage, any deduction is communicated within 24 hours. And if you opt for Mojo Secure, your deposit is protected against accidental damage, everyday wear and tear, and unexpected incidents. So a scratch or an accidental spill doesn't put your refund at risk. Unlike a landlord's deposit in Bangalore, this is digital, transparent, and fully trackable in the Rentomojo app. The next question people always ask is it second-hand or unhygienic? Every bed rented from Rentomojo goes through inspection, refurbishment, cleaning and sanitization before delivery. So you're not getting random furniture that someone left behind in their old PG or flat share. Anything damaged gets repaired or replaced before it reaches you. For selected products, you can even opt for brand new unit. Now, how long can you actually keep it rented? Minimum rental tenure for bed rentals in Bangalore starts from 3 months. Plans can go up to 36 months. And if the tenure of your bed rental ends, you get two choices. Continue renting monthly or return the bed. If you return it, Rentomojo schedules pickup from your home, inspects the product and refunds your deposit. There's no complicated exit process. You just raise a request on the app and Rentomojo schedules pickup. That flexibility matters a lot in a city like Bangalore where a lot of people don't know exactly for how long they'll stay in one apartment. What happens if you move to another house or city? This is where renting really pays off, especially if you're the kind of Bangalore renter who shifts flats or even neighborhoods every year or so, chasing a shorter commute or better lease. So if you're relocating within the city or to another serviceable city, Rentomojo helps with the relocation of the rented bed, and if you need support in shifting your entire house, you can use Mojo Mover, Rentomojo's packers and movers service available at affordable and competitive rates in Bangalore. What if the rented bed breaks while you're using it? If something stops working during your subscription, Rentomojo fixes or replaces it at no extra cost. You just raise a request on the app, no calling carpenters, no arranging spare parts yourself. Can you upgrade the rented bed later? Yes, after 6 months, you can upgrade to another bed of the same or higher value. So if you started with something basic and now want a bigger size or storage bed, you can simply raise an upgrade request. That's flexibility buying furniture just doesn't give you. So to summarize, bed rentals in Bangalore start at 328 rupees a month with Rentomojo, and the rented beds are refurbished, sanitized before delivery. Repairs and maintenance on bed rentals are included at no extra cost. Only intentional damage is chargeable, wear and tear accidents are covered, your deposit is fully refundable and protected further with Mojo Secure. Relocation within Bangalore is free and Mojo Mover covers the rest of your move. Most importantly, you avoid spending 20,000 to 30,000 upfront on furniture you may not even keep for long. If you're setting up a new home in Bangalore or planning to move across the city, check out Rentomojo. Bed rentals start at just $328 a month.